Hello everyone, let us see another small and simple topic, abbreviations and acronyms. First of all, what is abbreviation and acronym? Let's see. Already you know these like abbreviations, right? What are abbreviations? Short forms. Short forms are abbreviations, right? And what are acronyms? Acronyms also are short forms, but they can be used as a word. For example, we say email. We use the word email as a word, right? But the complete form of email is electronic mail. And the word NASA, 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 we use it as a word, but it has got an expansion. Now let's see a few abbreviations and acronyms. CIA. What is CIA? Central Intelligence Agency. LOL. Laugh out loud. LOL. These words are used very colloquially used words. We call Mr. and Mrs. right? Mister, short form. The complete word is MISTER. Boulevard, and it's not a common word. Boulevard is a long street actually, and the short form is BLOAD. This is not a common word. Corporation is a very common word, right? Corp. CORP. Corp is a short, and corporation is the full form. MPH, miles per hour. If it is KPH, kilometer per hour. New York, it's a city, right? NY is a short form of New York. And let's see some other abbreviations also. Short forms. Memo, we say memo, right? The complete word is memorandum. AM, we use for time, right? It's 10 AM or it's 8 PM. So what is AM? Ante-meridian, and PM, post-meridian. AD, right? We live in AD 2021, right? Anno Domini, and BC, it's before Christ. B is BCE, before Common Era. Email, I said right? Email, electronic mail. Let's see some more. ETs we use for like etc. We say, right? The full word is ETCETERA, etc. What? Veterinarian, though, although. For although we can use though as short form, and this cause we can use for the complete word because. Cell phone, the complete word is cellular phone. Psycho, the complete word is psychopath. Mathematics, math, you already know, right? Math, very common. And PE, physical education. In the schools we have PET, right? Physical educational trainer, right? CC, it's carbon copy. BCC, blind carbon copy. Regarding, for regarding we can, in writing format we use RE. It's regarding. Till, the full word is until. And for number, very commonly we use, right? NO, right? It's number. And another abbreviations like EG, very commonly we use it. And some of you may know, but many people don't know the complete form of it. Exempli gracia. For example, we say EG, example, right? This word is originated from the Latin word. Actually, this is a Latin word, exempli gracia. For example, we use EG. And next is that is. For that is we use IE. Even I have thought. For example spelling is EXAMPLE, right? Then how come EG? I have thought many times, but after coming to know this only, I understood that this is the full form and this is the real meaning of it. Exempli gracia, EG. And the same way, that is, even I used to think that is I, T and I. How come IE? Even this word also is originated from the Latin word. Id est. That is IE, id est. We use instead of that is. And PTO, we can see at the bottom of the paper, right side. Please turn over. CV, curriculum vitae. We say another word also, resume, right? Curriculum vitae is CV. And next, PS, postscript. It is postscript. Let's see some other qualifications and other things also. BA, Bachelor of Arts. BS or BSc, Bachelor of Science. MA, Master of Arts. MPhil, it's Master of Philosophy. PA, Personal Assistant. And MD, Managing Director. VP, it's Vice President. SVP, Senior Vice President. EVP, Executive Vice President. CMO, Chief Marketing Officer. CFO, Chief Financial Officer. CEO, Chief Executive Officer. Now let's see some brand name and full forms. We have got many multinational MNCs in India, right? They are basically from India, from other countries also. Let's see a few of the brand name and their full forms. Amul, it's very common, right? Amul, it has got a full form. A for something, M for something. It's Anand Milk Union Limited. Amul is Anand Milk Union Limited. Next is MRF, very common, right? MRF tires. It's Madras Rubber Factory. Madras Rubber Factory. Wipro, one of the leading companies in India, right? Western India Products Limited. Western India Products Limited. Next is HDFC Bank, very common, right? It's Housing Development Finance Corporation. Housing Development Finance Corporation. That's a full form of HDFC. Vodafone. Now in India we don't have Vodafone, we have VI, right? Idea and Vodafone merged, but still we are very familiar with this telecom, right? Vodafone. The complete form of Vodafone is Voice Data Phone. Voice Data Phone. And the next is ITZ. You know, when we say ITZ, everyone may not be very much familiar with ITZ, but it's a very popular company. If I say the products, you may know this company like Ashirwad Atta or Vival Bathing Soap or Bingo. All these things are ITC products. They have got plenty of products and very popular company in India. And it has got a full form, that is India Tobacco Company. India Tobacco Company is ITC. And let's see the next one, Fiat. Some of you are very familiar with Fiat cars, right? It's an Italian car company. And now in India, we don't have, they're not very popular, but their engines are used very commonly. It has got a full name, Fabbrica Italiana Automobili Torino. Fabbrica Italiana Automobili Torino. That's a full form of Fiat. Next, it's a BMW. You know, many people dream of buying a car, BMW, a very costly car, right? What's the full form of BMW? Bayerische Motorenwerke. Bayerische Motorenwerke is a full form of BMW. And next, it's Seat. Seat tires. So we see a lot of advertisement, right? Seat. It's Cavi Elettrizie Affini Torino. Cavi Elettrizie Affini Torino. That's Seat. And it's ESPN. Like we have got a television channel, ESPN, sports channel, right? The complete form of ESPN is Entertainment and Sports Programming Network. Entertainment and Sports Programming Network. It's ESPN. And BPL. Most of you have might heard, right? BPL. British Physical Laboratories. It's BPL. Next, HTZ. We have got mobile phones or laptops of HTZ. High-Tech Computer Corporation. The full form of HTZ is High-Tech Computer Corporation. CNN, it's a channel, it's a news channel in India, and it's Cable News Network. Cable News Network, it's CNN. And ICICI Bank, right? Very commonly we have everywhere, ICICI Bank. It's a full form of it. Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. That's ICICI Bank. Let's see some more. LG, Lucky Gold Star. Lucky Gold Star. As I said earlier, NASA, we say it as a word, right? NASA. But the full form of NASA is National Aeronautic and Space Administration. National Aeronautic and Space Administration. Let's see one more. That ISRO, we call it ISRO. Actually, it's ISRO. Indian Space Research Organization. Indian Space Research Organization is ISRO. So we have seen some abbreviations and acronyms, right? When we take any companies or any brand, multinational companies, we get a short form, and they all have got a complete expansion for it. So we'll be giving you all these things as a text, as a PDF form in the application.